half my life just to be the one to take you home tonight. We can make it if we try, but I wanna wait until the time is right. Tell me what's on your mind, I can't get you off mine. Are we over or meant to be? Don't need to know right now, timing will work it out. Can't let you make those mistakes with me. So don't let someone find you until you find yours.
Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and advance Eid Mubarak to you all. So this is finally one of my Eid makeup tutorial, and I'm really glad to let you guys know that I'm partnering up with Afsheen Bd for this video. And if you guys don't know about Afsheen, then maybe you are living under a rock, because everyone knows about Afsheen and they are like one of the best place for buying authentic makeup here in Bangladesh. And Afsheen recently actually launched their website too. They were previously just on Facebook, but now they are not only in Facebook, they also do have a website. And I love their website. It is just more convenient to order everything online, and it's just so easy. It's much more easier than Facebook, because when you like try to do online shopping in Facebook and you knock them, you wait for their reply, then you wait for their confirmation and all. But with the website, you can do everything just in a jiffy. So the website is very convenient, and I would really like to let you guys see a little bit of demo of how the website works. So before moving on to the makeup tutorial, let's see how the website actually works. Website shopafsheen.com, and you can just log in if you already have an account. But if you don't have any account, don't worry, you can just create one quickly. I'm creating one right here, and also subscribing to their newsletter so that I can get all the updates. And from the account details section, you can actually change the details or edit it out. So after that, let's move on to the address section, because that is really important to fill in the address, otherwise your products won't be shipped to you. Just edit the addresses and save it so you won't have to worry about them later. And we have the website, and the greatest thing about the website is that when you actually open an account with them, you can also get a special discounts time to time, which is not actually available for Facebook, and that is only available for the website. And here we have the home page, and we can see we have the just arrived section, bestseller section, hot now products. So everything is given in the front page, and also you can scroll down and see about them, and also your Afsheen account, your wish list, your cart. And here we have the categories where you can get the makeup products, skincare products. Everything is in the categorized section, so it is easier to find everything. And if you want to also scroll by brands, then you can also do that, and they are all given there in alphabetic order, so you can get them too. So let's add some products to my wish list. So I added 3 products right here, you can see. So I'm going to my wish list, and here I have the 3 products, and I'm adding one of them to my cart. And then let's view the cart. So going to the cart section, and after that I'm going to the special discount that I got from them. So for my birthday, they sent out a special discount code, and I can use that anytime, and you guys can also get this type of discount. So apply it in the coupon section and then proceed to checkout, then you will be getting a discount. And that is how actually the website works, and it is much more convenient that way. And you're also getting special discount codes, and then you're also gonna get the real-time updates about the product, if they're in stock or not, and so on. You have so many benefits of using the website. So make sure to open an account in the website as soon as possible. So this is the look that I did today, and all the products that I used are currently available at Afsheen. So if you guys want to order them, you can check out the description box below to get the links. And if you guys want to see how I did this look, let's move on to the tutorial. As usual, I'm going to be starting off with my base makeup, and for that, at first I'm going to be using my Farsali Unicorn Essence. And as for primer, today I'm using one of my most favorite primer of all time, and this is the Smashbox Pore Minimizing Primer. For color correcting or kind of hiding the dark spots in my face, I'm using a concealer, and the one that I'm using today is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and this is in the shade C12. It's time to apply my foundation, and for foundation today I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation, and this is in the shade 420G Toffee. For highlighting my face today I'm using my trusty Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the shade Medium. I'm actually using the highlighting concealer in the front portion of my face so that it can bring out the features of my face. Time to set all this hard work in place, and I am taking my Mercier Secret Brightening Under Eye Powder for my under eye area, and to set my face today I'm going to be using my Rcma No Curl Powder. I'm done with my base makeup, and now I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, and I'm going to be doing them off camera, but the product that I'm using for my eyebrows is the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and this is actually in the shade Granite, and I'll be coming right back after that to do my eye makeup. I'm starting off my eye makeup with the Huda Beauty Coral Obsession eyeshadow palette, and from this one I'm going to be starting off with this shade as my transition color. Now from the same palette I'm taking this corally pinkish type of shade, and this is going in my crease. Now taking this brown sort of coral color, and with this one I'm just going to be shaping the outer V a little bit. Now I'm taking a little bit of concealer, and with this one I'm just going to be carving out my lid a little bit to have like a semi-cut crease type of look. Now I'm taking this beautiful coral golden type of shade. This is such a beautiful shade. It has got like a golden reflex to it, so I'm going to be using this one in my lid. Now I'm taking the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsession eyeshadow palette, and from that one I'm taking this shimmery shade, just a slight bit, to actually enhance the edges a little bit. Now from the same palette, to deepen my outer V area, I'm taking these two brown shades. And again for my lower lash line, I'm taking the brown shades, and later I'm going to be smudging it out with a coral color from the Coral Obsession palette. To line my eyes, I'm using the Maybelline Master Ink eyeliner. Now I'm going to be doing my eyelash off camera, and this is the Too Faced Better Than Mascara. I'm going to be using this one to coat my eyelashes, and then on top I'm going to be wearing this Huda Beauty eyelashes in the style Samantha, and this is the eyelash. Now to just have a tad bit of glittery effect in my eye makeup, I'm using this Stila Glitter and Glow eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Kitten Karma. To highlight my brow bone and inner corner, I am using this shade from the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsession eyeshadow palette. I'm done with my eye makeup, and now I'm moving back to finish the rest of my face makeup, and now I'm going to be bronzing up my face, and for that I'm going to be using my matte mineralized skin finish in the shade Give Me Sun. What I love most about Afsheen is that apart from their amazing collection of like in-stock products, you can also pre-order any product that you want from them anytime, because they do have like a very fast shipping thing going on. You can order like in 2 cycles in a month. So if you want to order any particular shade of foundation or any type of like foundation powder or whatever you want, you can actually pre-order from them too. Now to slightly contour my face, I'm taking the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. I don't think I'm going to be applying any blush today because I'm really loving the like bronzy, peachy type of tone that is going on. But now I'm going to be highlighting my face, and before highlighting my face with a highlighting powder, I'm taking my Huda Beauty Golden Sands highlighter palette, and from this one I'm taking the shade Fiji, which is actually a cream highlighter. Now for the powder highlighter, I'm taking the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter, and this is such a beautiful golden type of shade. Like, this highlighter is so unique, so if you guys still haven't bought this one, I would suggest you to buy this one as soon as you can buy it, because I've heard that it is already discontinued in Sephora, I guess. So if you can get your hands on this one in this Eid, then I would suggest you to get this one as soon as possible. To line my lips, I'm taking the Huda Beauty Lip Contour in the shade Vixen. For the main lip color, I'm taking the Stunner Lip Paint from Fenty Beauty, and this is in the shade Uncensored. So this is the final look after finishing the rest of my makeup. I hope this look is somewhat helpful for you guys for this upcoming Eid, and all the products that I used in this video is currently available at Afsheen Bd, so you guys can find those products easily there, and I'll be also linking all the products in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. And if you guys like this video, make sure to give this one a big thumbs up, and also if you are not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe, and don't forget to follow me in my Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and also in Snapchat. And I will catch you guys again in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye bye.